Toptran Machinery Company Limited. For over 10 years, Toptran Machinery Company Limited has remained at the forefront of the machining industry by its focus on winning the customer satisfaction and considering this task as its #1 priority. Due to its commitments and spirit of serving, Toptran consistently shares a steady percentage of the market under the worldwide massive competition. The trust from its clients not only has always been the dynamic momentum to make Toptran move on continuously, but also is Toptran's ultimate business goal. Brand name guarantee is also Toptran's business goal, on which a lot of emphasis is placed. Establishing a R&D team having the ability to develop products with a global brand name that stands on its own is a goal for which Taiwanese manufacturers are to strive in the near future, while Toptran has been on this track right from the very beginning of its establishment. The globally marketed brand name, Tomac, is equated by those who are in this field with the word integrity. Toptran has been bringing Japan's professional technologies, experiences, and techniques in the field of pressing automation manufacturing, which are over 30 years, into Taiwan to further develop the researching, development, and innovation of the entire feeding production lines. In Taiwan, this company is one of a handful of manufacturers that supply 3-in-1 servo straightener feeder with uncoiler. With its excellent production ability, which allows Toptran to reach the very high degree of precision and automation, Toptran is the only one that guarantees superior international standards. Through the perfect cooperation between its first-class personnel of researching, developing, and manufacturing, Toptran has no qualms in truly applying Japanese technology to its production lines. From researching and developing through every detail of manufacturing to professional execution ability of stringent and perfection standards are what guide Toptran's productions and make Toptran head for a bright and booming future. Toptran's exceptional quality has earned TUV certification ISO 9001 in 2000, as well as TUV CE certification in 2001 and 2002. What makes Toptran's brand name Tomac such a unique brand is its ability to combine servo straighteners, feeders, and uncoilers into a single user-friendly machine. All Tomac machines are highly efficient, ergonomic, and semi- or fully automatic. Tomac machines Toptran produces include the combined 3-in-1 servo straightener feeder with uncoiler, which can process numerous types of materials. It can accommodate thicknesses ranging from superfine to heavy duty, as well as extra wide material. The 2-in-1 uncoiler and straightener, to which can be added the NC servo feeder as per requirements. The 100 to 300 millimeter fine straightener. The electronically controlled pallet reel, extra wide size fine leveling machine capable of handling material widths up to 1,600 millimeters. The shearing production line for coiled material. In short, equipments and complete production lines Toptran builds are basically applicable in the pressing industry. Toptran's R&D team enjoys an extravagant budget and is as dedicated as any excellent team you can find in the world. From design to production, our team goes to great extent to accommodate customers' individual requirements. All machines are designed to be adaptable for future upgrading. Toptran incorporates Japanese technology in the design and production, while utilizing Taiwan's extensive outsourcing network to meet the demand of quick and flexible assembly and to ensure both top quality and reliable delivery date for its every machine. Not only has Toptran devoted itself to working on exhaustive research and development about products and expanding the international marketing, but also sticks to the principle of high standard in choosing parts and components. As far as assembly and components, we stick to a policy that all components and materials are chosen and used exactly according to the design specified in the blueprints. This is what enables Toptran's machines to stand up to any international standard. When it comes to electrical controls, Toptran has distinguished itself as a pioneer. The in-house design team of computer engineers is the master of each machine's specifications, and the control systems it designs are both efficient and user-friendly. Toptran's solution towards fierce market competition is to combine Japanese precision skills with Taiwanese manufacturing techniques. Toptran makes promises it can keep, machines it can stand by, and deadlines it commits to. Our company has shown steady development for over a decade, and we have the basis to launch our business into new heights. Our company has shown steady development for over a decade, and we have the basis to launch our business into new heights. We see an infinite market in mainland China, which will soon be the industrial workshop for the whole world. Under this trend, we chose to establish a foothold in Ningbo as our latest factory. With the different properties of labors between Taiwan and China, we make a plan to capitalize on each side of the straits respectively, in a long term for what they can do best and complete an integrated production scheme with manufacturing advantages. Under this kind of extended combination, we're optimistic about winning the cooperation opportunities with world-class clients. If you make a comparison of machines at the same class between Toptran and Japanese-made ones, you'll find that ours is more competitively priced. We've already successfully established markets for ourselves in countries such as the US, Mexico, Brazil, Australia, England, Thailand, Malaysia, Singapore, Indonesia, India, and Turkey. We also provide professional and exclusive services by having our technicians fly to all these countries for installations and trainings. At the same time, we've set up service centers in Taiwan, Singapore, Australia, and mainland China, where we have service points in Ningbo, Shenzhen, and Suzhou. In addition, we also help our agents to be equipped and qualified to provide swift and professional after-sales services. Product diversity is the trend that has been leading the market these days. In particular, seeing a growing demand for large-scale feeding equipments in auto parts industries and feeding equipments in the 3C industries. Product diversity is the trend that has been leading the market these days. In particular, seeing a growing demand for large-scale feeding equipments in auto parts industries and feeding equipments in the 3C industries. Toptran makes efforts on catering for customers' demands and creates a differential competitive advantage, which means Toptran can't be replaced. Toptran Machinery Company Limited has its sights set on globalization. The machine it produces can definitely compete on the global level, while getting them there on a larger scale is the only remaining challenge. Our plan is to continue to exhibit at all prominent machine tool shows around the world and to expand their international sales network. Toptran is confident that when professionals hear the name Tomac, they will associate it with high-grade automated manufacturing equipment for the stamping field. Toptran Machinery Company Limited specializes in solving new challenges in the automated stamping industry. And it is from within this niche that it emerges with escalating technological answers. The enthusiasm has brought the company this far into modern times and will continue to guide it into the future. With honesty comes trust, and with trust comes faith. If there is a brand name synonymous with these three virtues, it would most certainly be Tomac.